To fix contacts not showing on the Redmi Note 14s, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, let's go for this contacts application right here, and here select contacts. And in case if you cannot see contacts right here, you can see all of your contacts list. Let me show you what you can do to fix this. First of all, let's make sure that you open this section right here and to make sure that you have enabled all contacts, because by misclick you might have misclicked and selected some other account, like the account for the SIM card or the Google account, which might not have contacts or all of these contacts. So as I select this one right here, you will see that I have only one contact under this account, so make sure that you will select all contacts right here. Additionally, if there are still no contacts, let's open this three stripes right here for filtering, and right here make sure that there's nothing selected, because in case if you have anything selected right here, let me show you, if I have some kind of filtering right here, there will be no results available. So also make sure to unselect everything from here, and from there you'll be able to see all of your contacts, and that's how you can possibly fix this problem.